Welcome to Holiday Tourmaker YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the complete details of Kodaikanal. About Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal, one of the famous hill station in South India, located in Tamil Nadu in Dindigul district. From Chennai, nearly 550 km, also from Bangalore, 500 km. Kodaikanal attracts all kind of tourists, especially honeymoon couples, families, bachelors, corporate people, everybody happy to come to Kodaikanal from inside India, also from abroad. So, if you are planning Kodaikanal, please watch this video till end. I'm going to give you the complete information about Kodaikanal. How to reach Kodaikanal? If you are planning to come by flight, you can come to Madurai. That is the nearest airport, just 110 km from Kodaikanal. Another airport, Coimbatore, 180 km. These two airports well connected all cities, major cities in India. You want to come by train, nearest railway station, Kodai Road railway station, just 85 km. Another railway station, Madurai, 110 km. Also, you can come to Dindigul, that is 100 km. The fourth railway station, Coimbatore, that is 180 km. Direct trains are available to all these stations from Bangalore, from Chennai, also from Hyderabad. Also, private buses are available from Chennai and Bangalore directly to Kodaikanal. It is overnight journey. It is reaches next day morning on the top of Kodaikanal. From airport or from railway station to reach Kodaikanal, better you can hire taxi. There are local transport available, but it is too crowded. Where to stay in Kodaikanal? If you are planning a family trip to Kodaikanal, you can stay close to town area. You can choose hotels and resorts. Also homestay available, but if you are a single family, I'm not going to recommend. If you are three families or big families are coming, better choice to take homestays also. Otherwise, you stay close to lake area hotels and resorts. It is better for you to access all important park, lake, other activities for your children. Honeymooners, you have a lot of option to choose for your stay. Many resorts and hotels available in town area, close to lake. Or if you want to stay little way from Kodaikanal with a valley view, mountain view, many resorts options are available. You can call us. Trip to Kodaikanal, you can stay resorts, homestays, farmhouse. Also, we are arranging a camp with the tent stay. You can enjoy a campfire with the music and more enjoyable activities for your group trip. What are the important sightseeing places around Kodaikanal? Kodaikanal Lake, almost 7 km surrounded. It is very flat, located in town area. Everybody will enjoy spending time at lakeside. For the children, many activities are there, even cycling, horse riding, shopping. If you are a family, you can go for a family boat. Honeymooners also, special honeymoon boats are available. Also, you can visit Brine Park, just walkable distance from lake. Another attraction, Coker's Walk. Evening, young couple, they can enjoy a relaxed walk with a great view of Kodaikanal. Other important sightseeing places inside Kodaikanal. You can visit Upper Lake View. It gives you amazing view of entire Kodaikanal Lake. Next, you can visit Rose Garden near Observatory. This is newly opened, so you can see lot of varieties of flowers. Then continue to visit Moyer Point. It is one of the famous viewpoint. After that, go to Pine Tree Forest. Here you can enjoy taking pictures. Also, it is good place for sit around. You can relax for some time. Next, visit Guna Cave, previously name called Devil's Kitchen. Here, famous actor Kamal Haasan Guna movie taken. After that, everybody used to call Guna Cave. From here, go to Pillar Rock. Enjoy watching the beauty of tall rocks. The next place, Green Valley Viewpoint. Here you can see mountain greenery view. Just opposite, visit Golf Club. Here, horse riding also available. Next point, visit Pambar Falls and 500 old tree. After that, go to Kodaikanal town. You can have a lunch. Then visit famous Kurinji Andavar Murugan temple. Also here you can see Palani view. Then visit one of the famous park name called Chettiar Park. After that, you can go to lake area, spend your own time. This is we call valley tour. This is a regular sightseeing of Kodaikanal. Visiting Dolphin Nose, we call as a trekking tour. En route, you can visit Vatakanal Falls, Lion Cave, Echo Rock. After that, park your car at parking area. Almost a 2 kilometer walk down to see this beautiful Dolphin Nose and again come back to the parking area. This trekking trip, ladies, children, all people enjoying doing this. Another important place, Perijam, we call forest tour. This is need a special permission. If you are planning this trip, you should inform your travel agency one day advance. Inside, you can see Perijam Lake, located center of forest. Also, Caps Valley view, fire watching tower, Silent Valley. It is located almost 30 kilometers from Kodaikanal center. So up and down 70 kilometers. It is a one-day trip. One more important sightseeing place, name called Manavanur Lake. Almost 40 kilometers from Kodaikanal. We call village tour. This is a day trip. You can start morning 9 a.m. En route, you can visit Poombarai. That village beautifully located. In the road self, you can see the beautiful view. Then drive on till Manavanur. Manavanur Lake. It is very beautiful and located in countryside. Lot of famous movie taken here. I can tell you few movies name. Famous director Shankar I movie shooted here. Then another famous actor Kamal Haasan Tenali movie and many movies taken here. If you are coming family trip to Kodaikanal for 2 nights 3 days, you can go for valley tour, trekking tour and Perijam tour. If you are planning 3 nights 4 days, then you can add village tour also. We have a ready-made package for you, 1 night 2 days, 2 nights 3 days and 3 nights 4 days. Planning honeymoon trip? Plan it 2 nights 3 days. We have a ready-made package also that is includes pick-up drop, local sightseeing, accommodation, welcome drink on arrival, candlelight dinner, flower bed, honeymoon boating, cycling. All together, we can give you the best packages for you. If you individually want to book a room only, please contact us. We are running our own resort in Kodaikanal, also homestays. It is suitable for families, bachelors, honeymooners, everybody. Group tour, corporate people, school students, college students. We have a 1 night 2 days plan for you. That is includes pick-up drop, accommodation, all food, evening campfire and music, and more fun activities, trekking, camping, all includes package we have. We can give you the best discount possible. Please contact us. We have all type of packages for families, honeymoon couples and groups. Generally, we are including accommodation, breakfast, dinner, sightseeing, pick-up and drop. If you are coming from Bangalore, Chennai or Hyderabad, we can include bus ticket 2-way. If you are planning from any other cities trip to Kodaikanal, we can include flight ticket, train ticket, pick-up drop at airport or railway station. We are running our own resorts and homestays in Kodaikanal. If you want to book only accommodation, please contact us. We can give you a special tariff for you. Thanks for watching it. I hope you like this video. If you are planning your trip to Kodaikanal, please contact us or mail us. We are given more information in our website and Facebook. If you want to check our service review, please visit our Facebook link. Coming days, we're going to put more videos like this for all the important tourist destinations in India and internationally. So please support us, our channel. Please share our channel to your friends. Thank you for doing this.